This is a gaming laptop, short dead laptop, unable to power on. We repair this laptop. See, we connect DC power supply. We on DC power supply. It's taken 0.09 and standby amp. We have to negative switch the laptop with the help of multimeter. We on this laptop. Laptop is powered on. Now we connect our pen drive also. Need pen drive light in pen drive. It's taken 1.0 or almost 1 amp, and first time off, second time on, 3 time on and off because due to CMOS reset. Second time on and off. Now third time it's off. Now need to continue on and display come. Yes, display also coming. Board is continue on, and this case study is complete. Thank you.